Hi, Feral Beam team. Today we're going to do a quick video about using the sloped slab. I forget what I call it. I call it floor by sloped surface. The Dynamo script that I went over yesterday. Unfortunately, yesterday wasn't working perfectly well, but now I've got it working perfectly well, so no worries. As you can see, once you click on the script, a UI will pop up and you'll select these. Right now, it will only do one surface at a time. Be sure to hit this finish, and you will select your floor type and the level you want it to be assigned to. Create floor. Give it a moment, and there it goes. And you have a sloped floor that is exactly matching the surface that you chose. Let's do that one more time just to show it working. So one of the small caveats about this is you can only do one surface at a time, even though yes, you can select multiple surfaces. Don't do that. It'll just do the first surface that you select. Another caveat that we have to deal with is that I don't believe it works for floors with openings because it doesn't know the point order of the openings particularly well. We'll just have to make those separately and then add the opening in later. To be honest, I haven't quite tested it on that. Generally sloped surfaces, I haven't run into too many that have openings. We do have a script for openings with flat surfaces that we can use later on. Run this one more time just to show it off. So select your surface, finish it up, select a floor type, select a level. So what this is doing is it's actually creating a floor at the lowest point in that surface. So that's going to be here, right? It's setting that as the base. So that's going to be the height from the offset, and that's at the 0, 0 right there, right? Everything else is then set according to that. So it's as if you had gone in and modified the sub-elements by hand. But we're not doing that because that would take forever to match up all of that. So yeah, that's about it. It doesn't have the standard slopes or oops. It won't have the standard slopes or the slope functionalities that we usually use on our floors, but that's quite fine. As long as the surfaces are flat, it'll come out perfectly fine, and it works well with the align beams to surface tool, so go ahead and use that. If you have any questions about it, you can always Skype me. Also, we might have to set it up and get it working. There are a couple of libraries that it requires, but when you have a chance, go ahead and test it out. I hope we can use it in some projects. Good luck.